Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the future of productivity and, let's be real, how to potentially boost that bank account. We're talking about the top 7 AI tools that could be absolute game changers for your hustle in 2025. These aren't just your average apps. We're talking about next-level AI that can write your content, design your websites, analyze your data, you name it. We're gonna break down each tool, show you how it works, and most importantly, how it can translate to some serious gains in your world. Before we jump in though, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the future game-changing tech we'll be covering. Alright, let's get into it. First up, we're kicking things off with Jasper AI. Now, if you're anything like me, you know the struggle of staring at a blank page, whether it's for a blog post, a script, or even just a social media caption. Jasper's here to make that a problem of the past. This AI is like having a 24/7 content studio on demand. Think about it. You can feed Jasper a topic, some keywords, even just a general vibe, and it'll churn out high-quality articles, blog posts, social media updates, you name it. And we're not talking about some robotic, jumbled mess. Jasper's built to understand context, tone, and even different writing styles. Need a catchy ad copy that pops? Jasper's got you. Need a long-form blog post that's informative and engaging? Jasper's on it. The crazy part is how much time this saves you. Time you can spend on, you guessed it, other money-making endeavors. And the best part? Jasper is constantly learning and evolving. As AI gets smarter, you can bet your bottom dollar that Jasper will be leading the charge. That means the content it generates will only get better, more tailored, and more effective over time. Now let's talk about the real game changer here, how this translates to making bank. Imagine scaling your content creation without having to hire a whole team of writers. Jasper lets you pump out high-quality content at a fraction of the cost, freeing up your budget and giving you a serious edge in the content game. Alright, so you've got Jasper cranking out content like a machine, but even the best AI sometimes needs a little polish, and that's where Grammarly swoops in to save the day. Now you might be thinking, Grammarly? That's just a fancy spell check, right? Wrong. Grammarly has evolved into a full-blown AI writing assistant, and it's here to take your writing from good to damn. This is professional level. We're talking about catching those pesky commas, sure, but also suggesting synonyms, rephrasing sentences for clarity, and even checking your tone and style. Think about it. How many times have you sent an email or published a post only to realize later you missed a typo? It happens to the best of us. But with Grammarly on your side, you can be confident that your writing is always polished, professional, and mistake-free. And let's be real, in the digital age, your writing is your first impression. Whether it's a client email, a website copy, or even just a social media post, how you communicate reflects directly on you and your brand. Grammarly helps you put your best foot forward every single time, and that kind of attention to detail can make all the difference when it comes to closing deals, attracting clients, and building a brand that people trust. And the best part is, Grammarly integrates seamlessly with everything. Your browser, your word processor, even your phone. It's like having a personal editor riding shotgun on all your written communication. Moving on to the marketing gurus out there, let's talk about Copy.ai. This AI tool is like having a whole team of copywriters at your fingertips, ready to generate compelling marketing copy that converts like crazy. We're talking about ads, emails, social media posts, website copy, you name it. Copy.ai can help you craft messages that resonate with your target audience and drive those all-important conversions. Now I know what you're thinking. Can AI really understand my audience and create marketing messages that actually work? And the answer is, with the right input, absolutely. Copy.ai thrives on data. Feed it information about your product, your target market, your brand voice, and watch it generate copy that's tailored, engaging, and most importantly, effective. It's like having a marketing consultant built right into your computer. But it's not just about generating words. Copy.ai is designed to help you achieve specific marketing goals. Want to increase click-through rates on your ads? Copy.ai can help you craft compelling headlines and calls to action. Need to boost engagement on social media? Copy.ai can generate attention-grabbing captions and posts that get people talking. And the best part is, Copy.ai is constantly learning and improving. As it analyzes more data and sees what works, it gets better at crafting marketing messages that deliver real results. Next up, let's talk about a tool that's all about maximizing your time and efficiency. Otter.ai. This AI-powered transcription service is a game-changer for anyone who spends a lot of time in meetings, interviews, or just dealing with a ton of audio content. Imagine this. You're in a meeting, brainstorming ideas, and the conversation is flowing. But instead of frantically trying to jot down notes, you've got Otter.ai silently capturing every word, speaker identified, and timestamped for easy reference later. No more scrambling to decipher your own handwriting or listening to hours of audio to find that one important point. Otter.ai gives you accurate, searchable transcripts that you can access anytime, anywhere. And it's not just about meetings. Otter.ai is perfect for transcribing interviews, podcasts, webinars, you name it. It even integrates with popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom, making it easier than ever to capture and share important conversations. Now let's talk about how this translates to the bottom line. Time is money, right? Otter.ai frees up your valuable time by automating the tedious task of transcription. Time you can spend on more strategic tasks, client meetings, or even just taking a well-deserved break. And the best part is, Otter.ai is incredibly accurate. Its AI is constantly learning and improving, so you can be confident that you're getting the most reliable transcripts possible. Chapter 5. Let's be real, video is king in the content world. But creating engaging video content can be time-consuming and expensive. That's where Lumen 5 comes in, using the power of AI to make video creation accessible to everyone. Imagine this, you've got a killer blog post that's packed with valuable information. With Lumen 5, you can transform that written content into a dynamic, engaging video in minutes. Just paste your blog post link into Lumen 5, and its AI will automatically analyze the content, suggest relevant visuals, and even add music and transitions, creating a polished video that's ready to share. And the best part is, you don't need any video editing experience to use Lumen 5. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to customize your video, add your own branding, and create something that truly represents your unique style. Now, let's talk about why video is such a game changer for your business or personal brand. Video is incredibly engaging, capturing attention and conveying information in a way that text simply can't match. By using Lumen 5 to turn your written content into video, you're making it more accessible to a wider audience, increasing engagement, and ultimately, driving more traffic and conversions. And with Lumen 5's constantly evolving AI, you can be sure that your videos will always look professional and on trend, keeping your audience hooked and coming back for more. Chapter 6. Alright, let's talk about customer experience, because in today's digital world, it's everything. TARS is an AI chatbot builder that's changing the game when it comes to interacting with your website visitors and converting them into loyal customers. Now, I know what you're thinking, chatbots, aren't those annoying pop-ups that just frustrate people? Not anymore. TARS lets you create conversational landing pages that feel personalized, engaging, and genuinely helpful. Imagine this, a potential customer lands on your website, and instead of being bombarded with information, they're greeted by a friendly chatbot that asks them what they're looking for, guides them to the right resources, and even answers their questions in real time. That's the power of TARS. It takes the friction out of the customer journey, providing a seamless and personalized experience that makes people feel valued and understood. And the best part is TARS integrates seamlessly with your existing marketing and sales tools, so you can capture leads, qualify prospects, and even schedule appointments, all through your chatbot. Now let's talk about the impact this can have on your bottom line. TARS can help you increase conversion rates, generate more leads, and improve customer satisfaction, all while freeing up your time and resources. And with TARS AI constantly learning and evolving, your chatbots will only get smarter and more effective over time, providing an even better experience for your customers. Chapter 7. Finally, let's talk about the power of repurposing content. You've poured your heart and soul into creating amazing long-form content. But how do you make sure it reaches the widest possible audience? That's where Pictory comes in, using AI to help you transform your long-form content into short, shareable videos that grab attention and drive engagement. Imagine this, you've got a killer webinar recording, a podcast episode packed with valuable insights, or even just a long-form blog post that you know people would love. With Pictory, you can extract the key takeaways, add visuals, music, and transitions, creating a series of short, engaging videos that are perfect for social media, your website, or even email marketing. Pictory's AI does the heavy lifting, analyzing your content, identifying key points, and suggesting relevant visuals, so you don't need to be a video editing wizard to create professional-looking videos. And the best part is, by repurposing your existing content, you're maximizing its reach and impact. Those valuable insights you shared in your webinar? Now they're reaching a whole new audience on social media. That long-form blog post that took you hours to write, now it's a series of engaging videos that are driving traffic and conversions. Pictory helps you squeeze every last drop of value out of your content, making sure it gets seen, shared, and most importantly, drives results. So there you have it, the top 7 AI tools that have the potential to seriously level up your productivity and maybe even make you rich in 2025. From content creation to marketing automation and everything in between, AI is changing the game, and these tools are just the tip of the iceberg. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the AI knowledge and help each other succeed. And remember, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, exploring the latest tech trends and how they can help you achieve your goals. Until next time, keep hustling and stay productive. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.